Saya Anggi.
Hi Anggi, what are you going to do this weekend?
Hi Fitri, I'm planning on going to the beach with family. How about you?
Oh, that's so nice. I'm thinking of visiting my grandparents. I haven't seen them in a while.
Thanks about India. I hope you have a great time with them.
Thanks Anggi, you too. I hope grit is good for you beach trip.
Yes, I hope so. Well, have a great weekend.
You too, bye.
Ganyan na.